Good morning, T-Birds. I'm Hector.
And I'm Amy. Today is May 11th, 2021, and you're watching Mount Tahoma TV.
Exciting news for seniors. The district has announced that seniors will be able to participate in an in-person graduation ceremony this year that will be held in our Mount Tahoma Stadium. As of now, students are allowed to bring 6 guests to the graduation and masks will be required for all.
Mount Tahoma's graduation will be at 4 p.m. on Tuesday, June 15th. We caught up with senior Malaya Toves to get her thoughts on the upcoming day.
So the question is, are you excited for graduation?
Yeah,
Why?
because it's actually kind of exciting to get out of school and just do your own thing, get started with life, you know?
True. You're not wrong.
Yes. Do your work, guys. Do it now so you don't have to do it later.
The Pierce Transist will be holding a visual art contest for the K-12 students in the Pierce County. The theme is the power of community resilience. The contest will go from May 1st to the 31st. The grand prize winner will have their artwork displayed on a Pierce Transit bus and be featured in August 2021 edition of South Sound magazine. The runner-ups will have their artwork displayed on bus shelters throughout the county. All participants will receive a summer youth pass, which holds free bus rides from June 1st to August 31st.
All students who will be returning to school next year will be allowed to keep their district-issued laptops over the summer. Seniors and students transferring out of the TPS will need to return their laptops at the end of the year.
Yearbooks are on sale and are only $35. This is a great deal, so make sure to buy one now. Go to see Ms. Riddle in the main office or go to the payment section of our school website. The link is in the description.
Did you know we have now been back in person for almost 2 months? MTTV reporter Imani wanted to find out how people felt about actually having school back in the building. Let's check it out.
Felt about being back, here's what they said.
It was lonely here, walking the halls, not seeing any people, any students, or no voices. So when you guys came back, I was totally elated. I'm so happy you guys are back. I'm happy you're healthy. And I'm looking forward to, I don't know, I just want us to get back to normal. But until then, I'm cool with just seeing you 3 hours a day is still good. It's better than not seeing you at all.
I feel it's different physically because for one, you're in class, you're not at home, and for two, you socialize with other people, you're here with other people, and it's better than being at home and doing it on your time where your time to do stuff. So I guess. So yeah.
Well, thank you, Sophia. Have an amazing day.
Well, the best thing about being back in the building is that we have life back in this building, right? And I would say another benefit of being back is that students and families have choice about how they receive their learning and their education.
Well, thank you. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.
You too.
There you have it. Teachers and students both agreed that human contact is a need for social development. Back to the desk.
So how have you liked being back in the building?
It's been great. How about you?
I agree.
Yep. This year, the Intercultural Assembly, formerly known as the Multicultural Culture, will be a little different due to COVID. This year's celebration will be online, but you can contribute and share your culture by sending in a video, photo, or artwork to James Sykes. Or you can create a FLIPGRID using the code 12C775E3. We hope that despite the changes, you guys will come out and represent your culture.
Not only has the ASB prepared an Intercultural Assembly, they have also prepared a Spirit Week from May 24th to the 27th to go along with it. If you have any questions, email Jane Sykes.
Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Hector.
And I'm Amy. Subscribe to us on our YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-bird, always a T-bird. Have a great day.